Ngiyanibingelela, ngiyanamukela futhi leyo ndaba kaDube umzulu wakhe Zephi. Ngithe ezinye iy'ndaba ezihlungu for i-national team iBafana Bafana, regardless of umkwena. I-FIFA manje isikhiphe i-statement sokuthi okay, izo-investigate indaba leya yetebo Mokoena le yama-yellow card against Lesotho. Siyazi-ke uma bezo-investigate obvious bazothola ukuthi umkwena wadlala enama-yellow card. Lokho South Africa maybe mhlambe engathola ifine yemali yokukhipha imali, noma ithole ifine mhlambe yokudilithela u-3 point, but possible ukuthi bangathola i-3 point, which means u-3 point izoba na-14, but still isanamagame awu-2 on hand, which means izoba na-14 points ezolingana neBenin. Ne-Nigeria winner naye ingaba na-14 point, which means lokho South Africa komele ukuthi wawina onke amagame ezobe sibhekene nawo. Lezo bhekene nawo against iZimbabwe and ne-Rwanda.